introducing MemeFly. My name is Han. With me are Denny, Derek, Hirsch, Lindsay, and Nick. I will be speaking on behalf of the MemeFly data science team. So our task consists of 3 parts: data engineering ETL, model training, and model deployment. Here is our data engineering architecture. We use Selenium and Python to scrap data from the web and store them in AWS S3 in image buckets and text buckets. And after scrapping, the fun part begins for data science. We have to go through the text data to clean out foreign languages using different Python libraries and hand cleaning. We have to also clean out the profanities and the potentially offensive words. We could not ensure all offensive phrases are cleansed, knowing that we are thinking maybe in the future we can map phrases to Urban Dictionary to screen for offensiveness. And for model deployment, initially we deployed using Flask, but we found that Flask lacked the performance for the model. So we benchmarked different frameworks and we end up choosing Fast API, an asynchronous framework. Here is our deployment architecture. So we Dockerize Fast API endpoints and deploy on Elastic Beanstalk and serve the model separately using Dockerized TensorFlow service on Amazon SageMaker. While the performance is decent, we lack the budget. We lack the budget to serve the model in real time and keep it running up. So we end up doing batch transform and store all the batch transform results on S3 for the front end to access and serve for the front end to access and serve. So for our model, we took inspiration from these papers. We experimented and settled on PAR injected model because that model can be improved further and it works great. And our encoder-decoder architecture encodes the image using Inception v3 and decodes the embeddings using a GRUD. And for evaluation, we implemented beam search using heap data structure. So here are some of our evaluation results. So this one, Bad Luck Brian, is one of our in-sample meme. And we also check all the in-sample memes here and here. And now is the meat. Here is how our model handles the out-of-sample output. So we use this roll your head thinking image, and this is the meme it generates. And we also pull an image for Elon Musk Cybertruck debut, and here's the meme it generates. And last but not least, we have Baby Yoda here. As you can see, the output sample memes has a higher variance in quality, but the model has learned well enough. Now I would like to hand it off to Lindsay for further product demos.
Thanks, Han. Give me 1 second to share my screen. So when we first got this project, we initially had to build this from the ground up. This has not been built in any prior cohort. We're lucky enough to have our stakeholders be our data science team. So they had a lot of input on what exactly they wanted to see. Excuse me. For this project, initially we built it using Canvas, just plain Canvas, and we realized after the first release Canvas that it wasn't going to have enough capability to get exactly what we needed. So we did rely on Fabric.js to get what we have now. I mean, we have the option to, we have layered canvases, excuse me, and you can resize this, and you can also alter the direction of where you want it and place it wherever you want on the meme here. This gives you the option to save, and this will download it to your local drive. We also have the option to choose your own file, and it will give you a randomly generated text here at the top. This happened to give me the same one. So that is an option. If you click generate meme, it will generate random memes for you. In the future, what we would like to see happen here is we would like to gamify this. We would like to see someone gamify it. For the back end, it is built out where you can have a chat function. There's a like and unlike function, and an upvote. So you can kind of, it will look something like this, is what we had in mind, where you can kind of have like a ranking system on the memes that if you create your own memes. This is editable. Change this text to whatever you want here. The share function here shares the MemeFly AI website for the meme generator itself. We would also like to implement a share function to share just this specific meme itself. We use MongoDB, GraphicQL, TypeScript, and React with Redux. We also did test-driven development with this. A lot of the complexities that we started with at the beginning were pretty easy to overcome. I think that's it.